In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Workspace email with DNS, TXT, SPF, DKIM, DMARC, MX. 5 minutes. First, sign into your domain host like the website where you registered your domain. I'll use a common host as an example, but the process is similar everywhere. Head to the domain section, open your domain, and find the DNS or DNS settings page. This is where we'll add the records Google needs to authenticate your email. Start with SPF. Create a new TXT record. For the host or name, use the root of your domain. Most providers accept @ or they let you leave it blank. For the value, paste exactly. VBAX SPF1 include sspf.google.com. All. SPF tells receiving mail servers that Google is allowed to send mail for your domain. If you already have an SPF record, don't create a second one. Edit the existing value to include sspf.google.com before the all or all part. Having multiple SPF records will cause failures, so keep it to one line. Next, set up DKIM in the Google Admin Console. Log in, go to Menu, then Apps, Google Workspace, and Gmail. Click Authenticate Email, select your domain, and click Generate New Record. Google will show you a TXT record name and value. Copy both. Go back to your DNS settings, create a new TXT record, paste the name and the long value exactly as provided, and save it. Return to the admin console and click Start Authentication. DKIM adds a cryptographic signature to your outgoing messages so recipients can verify they were really sent by your domain and weren't altered. Now add DMARC. In your DNS provider, create another TXT record. Set the host or name to DMARC. For the value, start with a monitoring policy such as vDMARC1P none and include a reporting address you control so you can receive DMARC aggregate reports. DMARC uses your SPF and DKIM results to protect your domain from spoofing. Beginning with P anon lets you observe without affecting delivery. Later, you can move to quarantine or reject once everything is passing consistently. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take time to propagate, anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours globally. That's normal. To confirm everything is working, use the Google Admin Toolbox or similar DNS lookup tools to check your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. You're looking for a valid SPF record, a DKIM status that says authenticated after it activates, and a DMARC record that parses without errors. That's it. With SPF, DKIM, and DMARC in place, your Google Workspace email is set up for deliverability and security.